Imagine healing damaged nerves without surgery. No scalpels, no hospital beds, just a thin, wearable patch on your skin. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, in Sweden, it's already real. Swedish biomedical engineers have designed a groundbreaking non-invasive nerve regeneration patch, and early results show it could change medicine forever. Partial paralysis, chronic nerve pain, loss of sensation. This little patch might be the answer. So, how does it work? It's simple. The patch sticks directly onto the skin above the injury. No surgery, no implants. Inside, it is a conductive biofilm filled with tiny sensors and microelectrodes. These send gentle electrical pulses deep into the tissue, reaching the damaged nerves underneath. These pulses stimulate nerve regrowth, and the sensors map nerve pathways in real time. The patch actually adapts its stimulation patterns based on the patient's response, making every treatment personalized. And here's the best part. When healing is complete, you just peel it off. During clinical trials in Stockholm, the results were impressive. Patients with partial paralysis regained movement. People who couldn't feel their fingers felt them again. Some reported up to 40% faster nerve regeneration compared to traditional therapies. Sensations returned, hand control improved, chronic pain dropped significantly. The patch is soft, flexible, and skin-friendly. It bends with joints and limbs so patients can walk, work, and exercise normally. It's low cost, requires no hospital stay, and can even be used at home for rehabilitation. Plus, it connects to an app that tracks recovery progress. Doctors can adjust stimulation settings remotely, giving patients personalized care every single week. If adopted worldwide, this could reduce the need for surgical nerve repair, helping millions recover faster, safer, and with less pain. This might be the future of healing, not inside the operating room, but right on the surface of your skin. Would you wear a patch instead of getting surgery?